discuss to you the characteristics of black and white film and the colored film. Silver halides. Photographic films and papers, when the film is developed, the silver halides which have been exposed to light are reduced to metallic silver, forming an image. Gelatin binder. The binder component, a gelatin layer that contains the image-forming materials. Emulsion. The emulsion is the light-sensitive coating on photographic film or paper that captures image when exposed to light. Plastic film base. A film base is a transparent substrate which acts as a support medium for the photosensitive emulsion that lights atop it. Anti-halation layer. An anti-halation layer is a light-absorbing coating applied between a photographic emulsion and back support. Color film is consist of 7 layers. Number 1. Emulsion. It is the most fundamental layer in a film. It is the emulsion layers adhered to the base by means of a binder. Number 2. Base. It is a transparent substrate which acts as a support medium for the photosensitive emulsion that lies atop it. Number 3. Anti-halation backing. It is a layer found in many photographic films and almost all film intended for motion pictures, usually a coating on the back of the film base, though it is sometimes incorporated between the light-sensitive emulsion and the base. Number 4. Yellow filter. This is used to create a specific visual mood or atmosphere. The color yellow can evoke feelings of warmth, intensity, or desolation depending on its application. Number 5. Subbing layer is a thin, strong adhesive layer that binds the base to emulsion. It is usually a mixture of a film base, solvent, and gelatin. Number 6. Ultraviolet absorbing. Work best when used with a thick material because these products rely on depth as part of their effectiveness. Number 7. Supercoat. It is a clear, hard coat optical film that has been developed to a high pencil hardness of 9H, open and close parenthesis 750 GF, and to stand up to repeated bending.